Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to assign management IP address to the Cisco switch. In this video I'm going to bring two switches and I'm going to assign IP address, management IP address to them, and then we're going to check their connectivity by pinging them. Let's start. Brought two switches up. We're going to assign IP address to them. The first switch I'm going to assign them with 10.0.0.5 with 24-bit mask, and the other one I'm going to assign with 10.0.0.10 with 24-bit mask IP address, and then we will check their connectivity. So the switches are up, so I'm going to bring that command line here. So first we're going to do on the sales switch. So we're going to do on the sales switch here with 10.0.0.5 with 24-bit mask. So the sales switch first. Enable. Configure terminal. And then we're going to assign that IP address to the VLAN. Interface VLAN 1, and the IP address we're going to assign is IP address 10.0.0.5 with 24-bit mask, and then we're going to bring that VLAN up by no shutdown command. It's up now. We're going to check it with the show IP interface brief command. It will show you the IP, the VLAN is up, as we can see here. VLAN 1 with the IP address we assigned 10.0.0.5, and the status is up and the protocol is up. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the accounting switch, and then we're going to assign 10.0.0.5 with a 24-bit mask. We're going to go into the accounting switch, enable, configure terminal, and it's the same thing we're going to assign here too for the VLAN. Interface VLAN 1 with the IP address 10.0.0.10 with 24-bit mask, and then we're going to bring the VLAN up by no shutdown, and then we're going to check them. Show IP interface brief. We can see the VLAN here on this accounting switch. It's with the IP address 10.0.0.10, and the status is up and the protocol is up. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna ping this switch. We're gonna ping the we're gonna check the connectivity to the sales switch by pinging the IP address of 10.0.0.5. So ping 10.0.0.5. Yeah, it's pinged. You see that it's pinged. Success rate is 80%. The reason is 80% is not 100% is because address resolution protocol. So if I pinged it again, I could see that 100% here. Success rate is we get all the 5 exclamation mark, and success rate is 100%. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing on the sales switch. We're going to check the connectivity from this one to the accounting switch by pinging the accounting switch IP address, which is 10.0.0.10, and then we got the connectivity here. So we got the connectivity for both switches. So in this video today we assigned that IP address to the sales switch 10.0.0.5 with 24-bit mask, and the accounting switch 10.0.0.10 with 24-bit mask, and then we check their connectivity by pinging both switches, and then the connectivity works. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and I will see you again on the next one. Thank you.